Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing essentials: the Fampay app, a working phone number, and an ID for verification. Once ready, open the app and tap Create Account to start. When you reach the referral field, leave it blank or choose Skip. It is optional. Enter your phone number, receive the OTP, and proceed immediately. This starts account creation without relying on anyone else's code, and it keeps the process fast while ensuring you can complete verification later. Once you enter the OTP, the app moves to profile and verification steps. You must fill your name and date of birth accurately because KYC depends on matching records. This avoids delays. Next, upload clear photos of the required ID as instructed. Make sure lighting is good and edges are visible. If the app asks to link an email or consent to camera access, allow it. These steps finalize identity checks and unlock most features without a referral code. You finish by setting a secure PIN or enabling biometrics so you can access the account quickly. This is your primary protection. After that, add a card or bank details when prompted to enable transactions and full functionality. If anything goes wrong, for example, OTP never arrives or ID upload is rejected, make sure you have stable mobile data, retry the step, and then use in-app help or support chat. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.